Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. Let's meet one of our local natives. Actually, it's a native to a good part of the northern hemisphere. This is Hepatica acutiloba. It's a selection one of my coworkers made years ago in Alabama. They gave it the cultivar name of Monroe Shocks. Anyhow, it's quite large flowers for Hepatica. That would be a more typical sized flower. And the Hepaticas are called liver leaf. Someone thought the leaves were sort of reminiscent of a liver in shape. And because of that, millions of plants were collected from the wild, because centuries ago there was the doctrine of signatures, where if a plant or a plant part looked like a body part, then clearly, how could you think otherwise that it must be good for that body part? I'm being sarcastic here, but nowadays I don't believe anyone is eating Hepatica for the benefit of their liver. But it's a little woodland plant. Great plant for the shade garden, largely evergreen. So it's not a spring ephemeral because the plant is present year-round, but blooming very early, long before spring. Starting by mid-winter or so, it'll bloom for quite a while into early spring. They range in color from white through pink and blue. I think white and blue are what you see most commonly. But a great little plant. It's a clump former. In time, you could divide a big clump like this into a bunch of smaller plants. It can be raised from seed. I think I'm seeing seedlings underneath it. If you want to raise seed, it's one of those plants that needs to be sown as soon as the seed is ripe. And the seed are produced, well, you can see the center of the flower. Looks like a teeny tiny strawberry, like a strawberry that the actual fruit are on the outside of the red receptacle. The seeds will fall off at the moment they're ripe, so you sort of have to check them for a while and collect them as soon as they come free from that receptacle, and then sow them immediately. They're slow from seed in that it takes a bunch of years before they're blooming size, but it's certainly something that one can do. Well, our little native Hepatica is a lovely native late winter, early spring blooming plant, a great, normally permanent plant in the shade garden. This is an example of what you'd see if you came to our open houses. Our winter open house is always the last weekend in February and the first weekend in March. They're always Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. They're always 9 to 5 each day. You'll have the opportunity to go through our 10 acres of display gardens and to shop in our 6 greenhouses, where you'll see all the plants that we currently have for sale. We have free classes we call Gardening Unplugged, food trucks, and a whole bunch more. We have a lot of, my co-workers can answer a lot of your plant questions. So it's a great opportunity to enjoy a garden, to see what's attractive in the garden in the winter. It's a great time to get your questions answered, to go shopping. We all like to shop, don't we? So come see us. And you can find a lot of details about our open houses on our website. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you at the open house and otherwise in the garden. Thank you.